Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to transfer money from Lloyds Bank to Revolut. Alright, first things first. Open Lloyds Bank website, search for it on your browser, then go into this page. And now simply I will search for transfer. Here you have it. Okay, now we can scroll down and go to payments and transfers. Simply click on learn more, and here you can see how you can actually transfer money. So now simply go and click on login now, and after that you will be redirected to this page where you can actually enter your ID and password. This is the user ID of your Lloyds Bank account. So now once you enter it, you should be able to send money to anyone that you actually need. But here in my case, I do not actually have an account on Lloyds Bank, so I cannot show you exactly the exact steps. But you can simply open your Revolut app, then tap add money, then choose bank transfer, and Revolut will show you your account details like IBAN and BIC. Copy them, and now open the Lloyds Bank app, tap payments, click on pay a new payee, choose pay someone new in the UK or abroad, then paste the Revolut IBAN and BIC. Step 3, enter the amount, select the currency, confirm the name matches, and authorize the payment with your Lloyds authentication, Face ID, passcode, or card reader. And that's all for today. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.